Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a view-only Google slideshow from Google Drive. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you're going to want to open up the view-only Google Slides. And if you go to File, you'll notice you can't make a copy, you can't download it, and you can't print it. But with this video, you'll be able to download a local copy, and the person who uploaded the file isn't going to know unless you tell them. So the first step is you're going to want to go up to the URL, and at the end of it, you're going to have a slash, then edit, then some other characters. I want you to drag everything up to the edit on the end of the URL, like this, and then press the delete or backspace key. So your URL is going to end with a slash, and edit and everything after it will be deleted. And I want you to then type htmlpresent after the final slash. Then press the enter key on your keyboard. And this will give you a HTML presentation of the view-only Google slideshow. And the great part is we can now right-click anywhere on here, and then click on Save As. And after that, you can give your file a name, but make sure it ends with .html. And then for the Save As type, you need to do webpage complete HTML. If it's not that, click on the drop-down box here, and then select webpage complete HTML. If you pick a different HTML format, it's going to be broken. Then click Save. After that, you can then see a download pop up here, so you can either click on it to open it up, or click on Show in Folder. And then what you can do is you can right-click on it, and click on Open With, and then pick a web browser of your choice, or double-click on the file to open it up. I'll pick Google Chrome. And, as you can see, it contains the same data as the slideshow. Now you can't edit this, but let's say you've got a presentation from work, or maybe you're at university or college, and you were given some notes, but your lecturer didn't want you to download them. This is a good way of doing that. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for being a great audience, be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.